ikea 3008 and body. It's been enough time. You can change my voice, okay? So do something.
You have no objects. Receive objects to the nearest pillar. I don't know what you mean. Okay, let's just collect some little bit of food, and we're gonna end the video. Bye. I thought IKEA doesn't work anymore. We're gonna get medkits, and we need more foodie. How about a base?
Mine.
No, nigga. There's no way here. Oh, there's a lamp. And let's go up the second floor. That's garbage. I don't know why. If you guys wanna play with me, I will put my username in the. What the hell? What? What's in the movie? What the? Bro, that's it? Who made this? Yeah, that's how I feel. Bro, these are my favorite. Should I bring them? Which one should I bring? I'm gonna bring this one. Is it still on there? No, I deleted it. No, come back. No, it's not gonna come back. I'm gonna take this motherfucker. This kid is still there, and we're gonna. I hope no one's there. I think someone left it, and no one even liked this, so he left this, so okay. Now my base. It's mine.
It's mine.
Oh, let me get up. Nah, that's kind of garbage, so, you know, we're gonna put this. I'm on this. Don't tell me someone's coming, bro. What's up? Get out of it. Don't you even dare. Oh, shit! Get. What? What the? Someone is on. I found it. I found it. Bro, move. Okay, fine. How many girls are in this space? I'm just gonna steal food. Can I get some medkits? It's not even my fault. How many girls are here? Oh, we're the boys. That does not. Wait, what? Eleven girls. How did I got in here? Can y'all stop trying to come in our base? Who's these people? I don't know. Ask them. I don't know. Ask them. I don't know. Ask them. Not me. Not me. I don't know. Ask them. Not me. Bro, do that one. Oh, I can't come in. Oh, you want to be like that? I can't play this game a long time. I've been playing this game since I was 3 years old. But that took me from like. But I found it. How did you let me in? You want my base? Come on. Yeah, I'm just gonna build my own base. Okay.
Excuse me.
Shut up, mouth. Yep. Go. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna. At least I'm a medkit. Heal. Heal. IQ. Okay, that's good. But I should have blocked. Move. Oh, yes. Bro, why's that blocking it? I'm so... God, these girls, bro.
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me, the store is now closed.
Oh, yes.
Please exit the building.
Let's go. She's over there.
Excuse me, the store is now closed.
Let's go.
Please exit the building.
Oh, shit. Space. Yes. Let's go. What the fuck? Oh. Thank you. How many girls are here? How many girls are here? I just want to retire. Run! But we need to get out of here. Now what? Okay, this is gonna. Oh, these two girls left. Nice. One more here. Okay, this is IQ. Look, check this out. I'm gonna get this out. And bro, me be like, this is sneaky time. Jamal, bro, just forgot I was right here. Bro, she doesn't see me.
Beautiful. Mine.
Hold on. Best one. Years ago. Fortnite Battle Pass. God bless the store. It's Jamal, your mama. Ah! Hold on. Girl, this girl doesn't move. Oh my gosh, hold on. There's oh, I forgot. Just don't move. Oh yes, no. Bro, we can't. Ah. I have food.
Excuse me, the store is now closed.
Bro, open the fucking thing. No. Okay. Shit.
Please exit the building.
Go. Oh, let's go. Let's go. I got these so I can heal. Let's go. I finally made it out. Okay. Finally. I'm so full. Okay, this is so fun. Bro, why there's two girls here? That's my question. Who left the food? I'm just gonna... I'll drop. Help you guys. I'm just helping. Not my business. Okay, this girl has medkits, so I don't know why she needs medkits, so you get the last one. Drop. Water. We should decorate all of this because it's kind of ugly. Just like our mom. It's kind of good, but not good. Not good at all. We need. Okay, this is supposed to be the floor, right? But why do they have this? They don't have another floor. I have an idea. Make this. Make this. Oh, I have a big idea. Hold on. They left? They actually left the game. It's all mine? Let's go. Now it's all. No. No, they're still here. That was great. Oh, poop. Oh, God. It's gonna take forever. Just wait. Keep. Jump. Bro, who are you serious? Hold on. Let me do something. Jump. Let me put this. Climb up. It's always making me fall. Jump. I don't know why this here. Why is it here? It's kind of garbage. So that's why I was trying to block. Bro, you know what? Guys, I have to end the game. Bye.